In this video, I'm introducing you to the FEIG MWD-SBP, a smart radar scanner designed for the precise detection of vehicles and individuals at barrier systems. Hello, I'm Martin from DoorAutomation24.com. The MWD-SBP is a compact radar scanner that reliably detects both moving and stationary objects. With a maximum detection area of 8 by 8 meters, it is ideally suited for driveways, parking lots, and other barrier applications. A special feature of the MWD-SBP is its ability to distinguish between vehicles and pedestrians, allowing for targeted control of barriers. The scanner can also define two virtual loop areas, such as for opening and securing the barriers effectively. The installation is incredibly simple, as it is not necessary to open the road surface, unlike with traditional induction loops. All settings can be conveniently configured via a mobile app, making the setup and adaptation to specific requirements much easier. Thanks to state-of-the-art millimeter wave technology, the MWD-SBP operates with exceptional reliability even under challenging weather conditions like rain, snow, or fog. For more information on the FEIG MWD-SBP, as always, check out DoorAutomation24.com. You'll find the link in the video description below.